Good morning, children. Children, in today's video, I would like to explain you about models and auxiliary verbs. So, open page number. Let me see the page number. Open page number 49. Okay, the related chapter is Terrapin's Flying Adventure. Chapter first of your English course. Chapter 5 of your English course book. Title is Terrapin's Flight Adventure. Okay, so open page number 49. Up to exercise this one, tongue twister, and below that we have already completed. So now let's start with further exercises, auxiliary verbs. The exercise is related with the topic auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? So first you should know what is a verb. A verb is a action word which shows the action of nouns. Okay, जो हमें nouns के action दिखाते हैं, that is called verbs. And what are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are also known as helping verbs. Okay, that helps which help the main verb. Auxiliary verbs क्या होते हैं? जो main verb की help करते हैं. Okay, in expressing the meaning, they shows us the what the actually main noun is doing. Okay, like Terrapin was flying high in the clouds. So first see this example. Terrapin was flying high in the clouds. Okay. What is the verb in this sentence? Terrapin was flying. Okay. Main verb is flying. Okay, then what is the auxiliary or helping verb in the sentence? Was. Because was is showing the tense of the sentence, tense of the statement. ये statement कौन से tense में हुआ था? Whether past, present or future. So was is helping verb here, and it is helping to the main verb. ये main verb की tense हमको दिखा रहा है. Okay, we can see the tense of this main verb with this helping verb. Okay, now next is King Eagle can fly the highest. King Eagle can fly the highest. जो किंग ईगल था वो सबसे ऊंचा उड़ सकता था. ओके, सकता था. इट इज शोइंग वी कैन सी दिस वर्ड द पॉसिबिलिटी एंड एबिलिटी विद दिस वर्ड कैन. ओके, सो मेन वर्ब इज हियर fly. Fly is fly. Okay, fly is a physical action, a verb, and we can see the possibility or ability with this verb, helping verb can. Okay, ये can से हमको इस वर्ब की possibility या ability पता चलती है. Okay, so all the helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verb, and they help the main verb in a sentence. Okay, वो main verb की help करते हैं statement form करने में, sentence form करने में. Okay, so now let's see the example. Okay, auxiliary verbs are is, am, are, was, were, have, has, was, were. Okay, and do. Okay, these all are helping verb. Now see the example. Exercise A, page number 50. Page number 50, exercise A. Okay, what we need to do is we have to see in every next to the every statements, two helping verbs are given. So we have to choose the correct right one and fill the blanks. So first number is the boys looking at the eagles flying above. Okay, the boys looking. Okay, so we can see there is ing is added along with the verb. Okay, so first is the boys looking at the eagles flying above. Okay, so you can see ing. Okay, ing form with verb. Okay, so whenever we see ing, it means the tense is of present continuous, a past continuous, or future continuous. Okay, so and two helping verbs are given, was and were. Okay, so was and were is helping verb for the past continuous. Past means जो बीता हुआ समय हो, भूतकाल. Okay, so was and were are the helping verb for the tense of sentence of past continuous tense. Past continuous की जो helping verb होती है वो क्या होती है? Was and were and ing with the first form of the verb. Base form के साथ ing लगाते हैं. Okay, and was indicates for single. Was is used with singular number एक के साथ. Okay, and were is used for plural number. So here we can see noun is of plural number because s is added with boy. Boy के साथ s लगा हुआ है. Okay, so here it is plural in number, so we will use here were. Okay, the boys were looking at the eagles flying away. जो लड़के थे वो ऊपर उड़ते हुए ईगल्स को देख रहे थे. Now next sentence. They read Alice in the Wonderland. Okay. Okay. They read Alice in the Wonderland. And the options are given have and am. Okay. Am is always used with I. Am का जो use है वो I के साथ होता है कब? In present continuous tense. I am going to market. I am going to my school. Okay. I am purchasing some bread. So am is always used with I in present continuous tense. But here we can see have is given. Okay. And here it is a present perfect tense. Second number, have is always used with plural nouns. Okay, plural number nouns के साथ have का use होता है in present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense की जो helping verb या auxiliary verbs है that which are have and has. Has is always used with singular number noun, he, she, it, and have is always used with plural noun. Okay, I, we, you, they. Okay, so here we can see they. तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? We will write here have. Okay, have they read Alice in the Wonderland? क्या वो वंडरलैंड में उन्होंने एलिस को पढ़ा था या पढ़ चुके हैं? Now next number, now she. Now she tell us a story. Okay, and verbs are given will and was. So in first sentence, as I told you, was is used for past continuous tense. ठीक है? So we can see no ing form is added here. So we will write here will. Why? Because after writing will here, the sentence will become in a future tense. Okay? Now she will. Okay? Will is the helping verb for the future tense. So we cannot write was here because no ing form is added with the base form of the verb. So we will write here now she will tell us a story. अब हमें वो एक कहानी सुनाएगी. Okay? Then 4 number. All the children. Okay? All the children, all the children going to play football. Going to play football. All the children going to play football. Okay, here we can see ing with the base form of the verb. So simply this is the sentence of present continuous tense. And what are the helping verb for the present continuous tense? Is, am, are. Okay, so is we use is with singular number noun, are with plural number noun, and am with I. Okay, so here two options are given, is and are. Okay, so we can see children in plural number. Okay, children is the plural number, so we will use here are, because is we use is for the singular number noun. So here it is plural number noun, so we will use here are. Okay, all the children are going to play फुटबॉल. सभी जो बच्चे हैं वो फुटबॉल खेलने जा रहे हैं. Now next, my friends. My friends brought a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers. Okay, so children, how can we know the tense of the sentence? We know the tense of the sentence with the verb. Okay, form of the verb. So here brought. Brought is the third form of the base verb bring. Bring means lana, brought laye the, and brought laye. It is the participle form, third form of the bring. Okay, so my friends brought a bouquet of flowers. Okay, and the options are given here. Have and are. So simply you can understand are is used for plural, present continuous tense. When we see the ing form with the base form. Okay, ing added with the base form. So we will write here have. Why have? Because we have used the third form of the verb here. Okay, यहाँ पे verb की third form use की गई है. So the sentence is of present perfect tense. Okay, so and have. In present perfect tense, there are two helping verbs, has and have. So has is used with the singular number noun. He, she, it के साथ हम has का use करते हैं, and we use have with plural number noun. So here friends मतलब बहुत सारे दोस्त. So we will use here have. Okay, my friends have brought a bouquet of flowers. मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो क्या लेकर आए थे? Flowers, bouquet of flowers. Now 6 number, you know the way to the zoo. You know the way to zoo. Way to the zoo. Okay. Here. Now we can see the sentence is an interrogative sentence. Okay, ये interrogative sentence है and the tense of the sentence is present continuous oh sorry simple present or present indefinite. Okay, so when we see the simple present tense and in interrogative form we use do or does to make a question, to form a question sentence or an interrogative sentence we use do or does. Do with plural number and does with singular number. Okay, so दो options दिए गए हैं. Two options are here, have and do. So have, as I already told, we use have with the present perfect tense and do हम use करते हैं simple present tense के साथ. Okay, although you is a singular indicates for singular person, but you is used for both of the forms of noun, singular और plural दोनों के लिए हम you को ही use करते हैं. How are you all and how are you. Okay, singular अगर you है तो singular किसी तो हम उसको singular noun में use करेंगे and you का use plural में भी होता है. Okay, you is used everywhere for whether for the singular or plural noun. Okay, so we will write here do you. Okay, do you know the way to the zoo. क्या तुम जू तक जाने का या जू तक जाने का रास्ता जानते हो. Okay, so now I hope you understand the concept of auxiliary verb. Okay, now forms of the verb in exercise B. You can see the forms of the verb. Basically there are three forms. Okay, for your syllabus or for your course there are three forms of verbs are given here: base form, simple past and past participle. So we call first form to the base form, second form of the simple past, and third is past participle. Like if I take the example, grow, grew and grow. Okay, so here this one is the base form or first form of the verb. Okay, second form or past, simple past. Okay, and the third is past participle. Okay, here this one is past participle. So we use this form for the simple past tense, and let me show you many of the past participle and many of the simple past form is made with the word added e or ed. ठीक है, जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म है वो ई जुड़ता सॉरी डी या ईडी जोड़कर ज्यादातर बहुत सारे जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म है उनमें हम क्या जोड़ देते हैं फॉर्म के वर्ब के साथ डी और ईडी. एंड जो ये सिंपल पास्ट है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद हैव, हैज एंड हैड. ओके, ज्यादातर हम इनका हमेशा पास्ट जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म है इनका यूज हम करते हैं हैज, हैव एंड हैड के साथ. ओके, सो लेट मी शो यू द एग्जांपल. ओके, सो एक्सरसाइज बी, what we need to do, we have to write the simple past form of the verb. So verbs are already given. So first a verb is given call. Okay, simple past means second form of the verb. So generally we make the word by adding d or ed. Okay, so we will write here call. Okay, second form of the verb is used always for the past tense. Okay, then the second one is given Feel. Feel. So past form for the feel is felt. Then third number, play. Answer is played. Fourth number, buy. Sometimes we see the verbs are same in the past and past participle. कई verbs ऐसे होते हैं जो past and participles, past simple past और past participle में same होते हैं. Okay, like buy, bought, bought, play, played, played. Okay, then fifth number, watch. Watch. You can see I have made most of the verbs by adding ed. Okay, sixth number is ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Okay. Sixth number is ride. So here you can see ride it. Okay. The seventh number, sit. See, sometimes it happens when we form a verb past form, past participle, we need to use a repetition of the letter. Like if I form this sit in simple past, we will use double P. Instead of only one P, we need to use repetition of P, double P. Okay, sit. Then eighth number, take, here write to. Okay, take, to, taken. Now in C number, write the past participle forms of these verbs. Okay, ये जो verbs दिए हुए हैं, we have to write their past participle form. Okay, past participle form are always used with has, have and had. Okay, so we'll write